Hello everyone, how to do it? So back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to start your journey on Linky chat with characters AI application. So if you didn't download or install yet, then you can download and install. So I'm just already download on my device and install it. So simply tap on your app. I'm just going to tap my app. So this is the interface of Linky carrying AI mates gathering place. So just you have to wait for a while to get the interface. So you can see this is the interface, but if you want to start, then you should tap on the me button. I'm just going to tap, and you can log in or create your account in two ways, through Google and through Facebook. So if you start with Google and Facebook, so I'm just going to tap on the Google. So like this way you can start, and I'll create more video how to use this. So okay friend, today's no more, and see you in the next video.